Hello everyone and welcome to the Pepin&Car YouTube channel. Today we are gonna drive to Belgium where we are going to fix up my Saab 96 barnfind just a little bit further before we go to England this summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. But like every beginning of an adventure, we first had a little bit of a problem. It sounded like the V-belt was making a sound, so I had to check it out before we truly went on the highway. But I found that it was actually the alternator making a weird sound, and the knocking sound, I am still not sure what it was.
Gekke fluit wat je hoort in deze.
A little heads up, the rest of this video there is going to be a lot of Dutch talking, because the guy that we went to lives in Belgium but we still talk Dutch, so be warned, a lot of this is going to be in Dutch. And we have new microphones, so I hope you enjoy the new quality of sound.
Okay, so today we are going to drive to Belgium. This is going to be the first big trip. We're going to drive over 300 kilometers. Just heard that the alternator is making some weird sounds, so I hope that hangs on. Yeah, this is going to be an early drive. We woke up at 6 this morning, and 6:30 we are now driving on the highway. Yeah, on our way to Belgium again. Okay, so currently we are almost there. It's like 10 kilometers still, maybe less. We're in a 50 zone right now, so just gonna have to watch out that I don't drive too fast because my speedometer is on +5, nearly +10 or something. So
no, 5.
Yeah, so if I'm driving 50 dead, it's gonna be 55. So
Yeah.
which is what I'm doing right now. But I'm not sure if this is 70. I think so.
Yeah.
Then we do that. 70. 70 it is. Okay, so we have made it. We are currently driving to the last couple of meters to his house. You can already see the Saab standing outside. That's always a good sign to know you're welcome. Oh, and a 96. Sweet. Let's park it right here. We have made it. That's accomplishment number 1.
Look! The first question I had for him was for him to take a look at my gearbox. I was just unsure if it was making weird sounds or that it was normal, but he just tested it and saw that everything was okay. But sometimes it doesn't want to go into first gear, but we fixed that very easily, as you can see a little bit later in the video.
Ja, maar nu gaat hem er niet in. Als ik iets terug doe, als je iets terug gaat met jouw hendel, dan gaat hij er wel in.
Oh, het komt door die hendel dus?
Ja, ik denk dat je het daar...
Maar waarom doet hij het dan wel als je in z'n 2 gaat?
Ja, dat is met 900 ook.
Als je 4 gaat en je trekt hem door, dan hoor je zo...
Dat is normaal.
Dit geluid.
dat is normaal niet zo. Hij is bijzonder weinig.
Dit seizoen, dan komt hij even doorheen.
Dan is het gedaan.
En dan wordt het weer minder. En dan soms bij 80 zoomt hij ook nog een beetje.
After the test drive, we had to switch the cars because the Alpine was in the way for the Saab to go onto the bridge. And yeah, just listen to this car, it's awesome.
Zo, sta klaar, Lian?
Okay, and then we started working on the car.
Geen neon, maar wel een goede gebruikte. Hoe weet je dat dat goed is? Maar dit is duidelijk, hè? Of zo maak je af. Voorzichtig, binnen aan die kabel.
Ja, maar als je er nu gewoon even zo aan trekt.
Kom.
Dit is het proberen.
Kom.
Dit is hevig, hè? Wacht even.
Wat is dat?
Ja? Wacht even, waar? Ah. Het voordeel is dat hij er doorheen is. Het nadeel is dat het heel lastig is eraf te krijgen.
Kinderen slapen, pijntje slaap. Naar buiten loopt de schaap. Een schaap, het staat wel op YouTube, hè. TikTok. Hey, 10 miljoen kijkers. Alleen Pen is dat u nog niet klaar. Nee. Dit is echt wel slapen, hè.
Het duurt wel lang, hè?
Hey, zeg, hey. 2 schroefjes, zeg.
Ja.
Goed, hier. Hij is nu klaar, want
Ik heb nog even deze strips hier opgemaakt.
Ja. En in dat hoekje.
Ja, ik heb het mond draaien, denk ik. Zo, denk ik. Is ze? Nou, veel beter. Ja, ik weet van buiten op de deksel, ja, dan 4 streepjes, maar ik weet waar die 6 graden staan. Kijk wat er gebeurt, je zit zo vaak in de vloer.
Ja.
Kijk eens wat dat nu staat.
Is het nu helemaal klaar?
Ja, oké.
Ja?
Weet ik.
Oh, dat is helemaal zwart daar.
Ja. Dus dat betekent dat we daar een klein beetje fiets gaan proberen aan te trekken. Is dat niet gewoon, dan moet je er gewoon een ander pakking steken. Zie je? Deze die moet hier zitten. Er zijn 2 langere bouten.
After all of that generous work, we finally were at the end of the day and we asked him to take us for one more trip in his Alpine since he put in a new engine, a 1.3 with 4 carburetors, and yeah, we all did a little lap and it was just a really cool car. The full video of that is going to be on a different video because this video is getting quite long. So yeah, look forward to that video, it's gonna be out soon. But still, here are some highlights of that
Ja.
video.
Toch maar net.
Ik heb het overleefd.
Ik heb het overleefd.
Gaaf hoor. Ja. Heel gaaf.
Oh, ja. Nou. Ja.
Je hebt de voeten erin.
Ja. 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 Ja.
Ik ben daadwerkelijk geen klein.
Gewoon veel te groot.
But then, after a long day, it was time to set the steering wheel straight and to go home.
Nou, tot ziens.
Doei doei.
Doeg! Okay, so right now we are cruising back home. We did a bunch of work to the car. We have a heater that now actually heats and also can turn off, which is nice. Since this summer we're going to use this car for vacation, it would be nice to have a car that can blow cool air as to only hot air. We also did some work to the transmission gear shifter because it was basically not in the right spot to go into first. So that's why it wouldn't go into first very nicely. But that's all fixed now. Yeah, we just did a bunch of little things around the car just to fix it up a little bit, check it over a little bit, and yeah, we just had a really good day overall. It's a really good test overall to really test the car and to see how it's going to hold up to go to England this summer. Because remember that this car has only been standing still for 25 years, and I haven't restored the car in any way. I've only done soft restore, as in fixing the parts that are broken, but leaving the rest, because I think that's the charm of a car like this. So yeah, it's still holding on strong, and we'll see where it takes us. Hopefully home today. Okay, that should be enough. It should already be blowing hot air right now. It's very little bit, just a little bit open, immediately heats the entire car. So, yup, it's more. I can feel it at my feet. Holy shit!
Oh.
Oh boy,
That's nice.
it's hot. Very. Oh my god! Okay, I'm turning you off again. Jeez. So it's very hot, and because of that, I turned off the temp immediately after I put it on, and I had to put this one on a little bit, which only blows cold air. But yeah, just to compensate a little bit, because we're immediately sweating for like 5 seconds of turning the heater on. So I think there's some adjustments to be done, but he taught me how to do it, so I will do that at home, I think. Probably before we go to England.
Het is een airmiles.
4.
Yes.
Dat is 49 euro.
Met de pin.
Gaat er dan.